Have you seen such kind of the train market? The world's third largest railway is hidden in the deep mountains of Yunnan Province, China. Every Monday, it becomes a special train market. I traveled thousands of miles, getting up before sunrise. Almost 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and outside is so dark and it's raining. Just to witness a legendary scene. Where I am standing is the Pingbian Miao ethnic group autonomous county, so you can see a lot of the middle-aged and elderly people are wearing the special clothes, the traditional Miao clothes. This railway connects the China and Vietnam, and it has been running for 115 years. And almost every spot of this train line has naturally formed a market because when the train stopped, the people gather here like a market to sell the products. But with the decline of the passengers, most of the markets disappeared. But Baihetao, where I'm standing right now, has maintained this tradition. So this is kind of like the last train market in China. On this side, they are selling the chickens, and on the other side, they are selling the vegetables, the fruits, the peppers. What's this? It looks like a pumpkin. 奶奶，我问一下，这个是什么？蔬果。蔬果。这个是水果还是蔬菜啊？蔬菜。这个怎么吃啊？炒着吃。要跟肉一起炒吗？ I remember this one, the banana flour. I tried this in my last episode. It tastes like the dry chicken slice. Mimi! Ooh, you're so small, so cute. Look at the way they package the eggs. The whole bunch is 3, 6, 9, 10. 10 eggs. So this place is not like the training center for the multiple ethnic groups to buy and sell products like the Miao people, Yi people, and Zhong people, but also a place for them to exchange information and connect emotions. 大哥，我问一下，你知道火车几点来吗？今天？刚刚火车取的这个时间到了。 And the train is not coming yet, and no one knows when the train will come. And you can see the vendors are sitting along with both sides of the railway tracks to sell products. At 3 p.m. in the morning, I heard a loud sound of the rain. So I thought, oh no, if it keeps raining like this, there definitely won't be a train market. But at around 7:30 a.m., the rain stops. It's 10:06 a.m. now. The train is not coming yet. No one knows. It's like a secret now. It's almost 11:30 a.m. and this working staff is reminding people to take back their products. I heard the sound. It's coming. It's coming. What's happening? It stops. It's reminding people not standing at the side of the railway track. The train has gone, and the vendor put their chickens back, grab their chickens back. After the train passing by, the travelers and some other local people are also have gone. Everyone is waiting for this moment.
人字桥了嘛？
人字桥。
啊，第一提了最有名的人字桥。
That guy told me that the train will pass by a famous bridge, which is the representative bridge in Yunnan Province. 它为什么会有名啊？
啊，那个我们中国第一座桥是人，基本上是像人字做出来的。
He said that bridge looked like a person. I can't imagine that. Normally, the bridge is arched bridge. So I'm very curious what that bridge looks like. But the problem is that I'm not driving a car, and it's about 20 kilometers away from here. So how should I get there? 哎，大哥，我想问一下，如果我想去人字桥的话，应该怎么去啊？
从上面国道路直接往上面到百家那个地方往万塘走，
我没有车
就出来了。
我没有车，就是怎么去啊？
上面有包车，可以包车。
就在那个上面。
就在桥上有包车。
哦，好好，谢谢啊。哎，大哥，这边有车去那个人字桥吗？
没有了，要去的只有包车去了。
包车什么价格嘛
可能要400左右，300多400左右。
Well, it's too expensive. 400 yuan, about $60 US. I came back to the hotel where I lived yesterday because tomorrow I will be waiting here for taking the small bus to that bridge, and I need to pay like 35 yuan, which is quite cheaper than 400 yuan. I took 1.5 hours bus to be here, and this place is nearby the arch, the bridge, and there's nobody. Nobody is here now, other than this little dog. Feel so close to that mist, and it's a really great experience walking along this railway track. This railway track is still running, so what if the train passes by? What should I do? I think I'll jump. Huh? I saw a little pig. Somebody's living here? Oh, I didn't see it. There are 2 dogs. Oh, sorry, 2 pigs. Who will be living here nearby the railway track? And I saw somebody's growing some vegetables here. This is my first time seeing pig drinking water. Getting out from the tunnel, I truly understood why it's called the human-shaped bridge. It's like 2 people's shoulders supporting the entire bridge. This is my first step on this bridge. 12 people died. And this is my second step. 24 people died. This whole bridge is 67 meters long and established 100 meters above the bottom of this valley. 100 years ago, France wanted to get Yunnan's rich mineral resources, built this railway to transport those resources. It says the railway used the same materials as the Eiffel Tower and was considered the 3rd largest engineering project in the world, comparable to the Suez Canal and the Panama Canal. 2 iron chains required 200 Chinese laborers, taking 3 days to arrive here. They have to use their backs to carry products or use the horses to carry the products. With steep cliffs on both sides of the canyon, hundreds of Chinese laborers were suspended in mid-air by ropes tied around their waists, without any safety facilities. More than 800 Chinese laborers sacrificed during the construction of the bridge. This railway track has brought a certain degree of the prosperity in Yunnan Province in China, but it cannot change the fact that being backwardness leads to being beaten. People always said China took 40 years to achieve the prosperity that Western countries took 200 years. But what's behind this? And I saw an interesting online why the foreigners can be so relaxed, why Chinese people cannot. Why the foreigners can stay in one place, stay in one scenic spot for a very long time when they are traveling. Why Chinese people cannot. We always rush to each scenic spot to take photos and then rush back to work. And by the way, we have less holidays, we have limited holidays. It's just one of the reasons. I think there is an invisible hand pushing us forward. At least I think the anxiety is deeply rooted in our body, in our bones, and at least the friends around me are like this. We think we should work harder and study harder and make more money. If we relax, I feel guilty. I am. If I relax, I feel guilty. I shouldn't be relaxed. Maybe because some historical reasons or some other reasons, I don't know. But in this way, we can see a better ourselves and a better China. In order to achieve the living conditions and welfare conditions of Western countries, we still have a long way to go. But I think the future is promising.